This is it. Look, so cute. Just look at it. Wait. Isn't it cute? I've I have used crayons for this one, which is this little thing that's holding my phone earlier. Hiningi ko lang to sa kapatid ko. So, yeah. So, di ko alam kung magkano to eh. But, I use a cheap crayons. So, this. This is the sketches I did. This was last night. Yeah, I think it was last night. So, yeah. Kamukha siya ni Powder. Like, Powder but in my art style. Do I even have an art style? No, I don't have an art style. Ewan ko, ang ganda ng face niya. Ang ganda ng reference and ang ganda ng pagkakadrawing ko. Kasi ako na to. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.